कसिनोक लागून कांपाल ते सांता मोनिका जेटी मेरेन रस्त्यांचे येरादारीची कोयणी जाता. मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान हातून लक्ष घालून हो प्रश्न सुटावो करचो अशी मागणी तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन केल्या. तशेंच पणजी आझाद मैदानाचेर सोरो पिवन कांय जाण बेशुद्ध जावन पडिल्ले आसतात. ह्या सगळ्यांचेर कारवाय करपाक सरकार अपयशी थारल्याचें तृणमूल म्हणटा. भौशीक थळाचेर बुरशेपणां करपाक मनाय केल्ल्या पर्यटन खात्याच्या आदेशाक कोणूच पाळो दिना अशें राजन म्हणटा.
I am repeating also, which I had charged, and it is a fact that the nuisance created by the casinos, right from Kampal to Santa Monica Jetty, has anything been done to stop that? I am appealing to the Chief Minister to intervene and put an executive order in place and stop the nuisance that is happening, which is disturbing tourists in Goa. Today, I received a video which shows people drinking on Azad Maidan. And the question being raised is, it is just opposite the police station, no police is also taking action. Now, I would like to remind everyone that I had made it very clear that the order issued by the tourism department headed by the political tout was not executable. And I repeat this, because the police cannot act and cannot be blamed, because the order specifies that the police will act on the complaint of a competent authority, and I had also brought it to the notice that no competent authority has been identified, mentioned, or said who it is. Who is the competent authority? It will be question mark. But no one should get surprised. The competent authority are the political touts to collect haftas.